One of my subscribers asked me about the best compliments you can say in Russian. So right now I will not only share the exact compliments you can say, but also disclose some do's and don'ts that you should be care of when you compliment someone. Привет, друзья! It's Anastasia Carol here, a professional language tutor and a native speaker. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because I've got tons of important information for every Russian learner. Making compliments gives you a chance to bring up someone's mood or start up a new conversation. But to reach this goal, you should be really careful. Now let's discuss some things that are really cool to be said to someone from Russia. If you meet someone who you're well familiar with, it's really cool to start up a conversation by saying something nice to this person. Привет! Ты отлично выглядишь. Как дела? Здорово выглядишь. This is not probably the best way to start up a conversation with someone you don't know well, but it's really cool to say something like that to your friend. You know, it's always so present when people see your efforts and see how you change. And, you know, it's so nice to compliment on that. О, у тебя новая стрижка? Тебе идет. Новое платье? Подчеркивает твои глаза. Ты купил машину? Поздравляю! But please be really careful here not to offend anyone by making a too personal compliment. Probably one of the most heartwarming things is praising somebody's personal traits. If you genuinely think that a person deserves such a compliment, then you can say «С тобой так приятно поговорить», «С тобой очень интересно разговаривать», «Какой ты понимающий человек». If you want to build up good relationships with someone, don't be stingy to compliments. Always notice other people's success. You can do this by saying, for example, «Молодец! Отличная работа! Ты отлично потрудился!» These were some compliments do's. Now let's move to some compliments don'ts. I mean to some things that I would not advise you to say as a compliment. And number one here is respect personal borders. I've already mentioned that in the previous section, but I think I have another example to share. Once I met a friend who I didn't see for a long time, and she started our conversation by saying, «Настя, ты так похудела! Отлично выглядишь!» Настя, you lost weight, you look great. Maybe these were some sincere words, but they made me think. Did I look overweight before? That's a doubtful praise, right? What do you think? Share in the comments. And of course, I would never ever advise making any sexual compliments on someone's appearance. Вот эта попка! Such catcalling, it's just disrespectful. Okay, let's move forwards, and the next advice here is don't be too direct. I mean, that's a really weird way to start up a conversation with someone you don't know by saying «Привет, ты такая красивая» or «Привет, ты такой красивый». I mean, these are gorgeous words to say to your girlfriend, for example. Okay, I can't say for all people, but when I'm said something like that by people who I don't know well, I just don't know what to answer.
Hello.
Ты очень красивая девушка.
I'm sorry?
Haven't you ever been told how beautiful you are in flawless Russian?
No, I haven't.
Get used to it.
Yeah, I probably won't. But...
If you want to start up a conversation with someone you don't know well, then instead of making this, too direct compliment, try to praise something special about this person and then ask for additional information. Отличные кроссовки! Где ты их купила? Мне нравится твое произношение. Где ты изучал русский? Я видела твои фото с собакой. Она такая милая. Что это за порода? Number 3 is don't expect a response. I mean, when you compliment someone, just let it go. I guess that being over the top and living too many compliments is just like knocking into a closed door. Okay, these were some do's and don'ts that you should remember of if you want to compliment someone in Russian. That's all for today. Give this video a thumbs up if you think it was interesting. You can also tip to the channel by clicking this thank you button that will soon appear right below the video. The next episode with 20 sweetest compliments is on the go. If you have any questions on the topic, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments section and I will try my best to include the answers in the next video. See you soon! Пока-пока!